this is Lucky Girl. Today we're gonna open up MC2 Project and Dr. My Stuffins. Woo! And we have right here is RC Hoverboard. Right here is the hoverboard, and this is right here. You press it and it'll light up. And here is the controller. And here is the pad, the leg and pads, and the arm pads. And here's the helmet right here. Isn't that cool how they edited it? And the back says Science Engineering. And it says STEM, Science, Technology, and Engineering, Art, and Math. And Sissy, she has includes a tool bag right here, and we have a tool right here. And now let's open up. Got it. And here is the doll right here. It comes with a helmet, half pad. So cute. The pads are so cute. Okay, Dr. Mustafins, I got your home right here, and here is your bag. You're welcome. Bye. Bye. And I hope you like this video. Please subscribe or like. Leave a comment below. And bye.